Hey guys, very good evening and welcome back to another vlog. So finally I have reached Ernakulam Junction. This is basically in Kochi, Kerala. This is basically a separate vlog only which I'll be making. I won't be including it in the other vlog of Velankani. So you must have already seen the other vlog. If at all, if you have not seen it, then go to my description and that is where you will find my vlog which I have made. So today we are going to explore Kerala. This is going to be an independent vlog. I have almost around 6 to 7 hours of halt in Kerala, okay, Kochi, Kerala, and I have to go back to Tamil Nadu, that is Madras, Nagapattinam station at the end of the day, like around 10:30. I have a return ticket. So today let's explore Ernakulam, which is basically Kochi, Kerala. So first let's walk towards the rickshaw station and then let's go towards some ferry point. Okay, so let me just meet you after over there. Yes guys, so first we'll take a metro ride. Okay, just like Dubai Metro, but here they issue such kind of passes. So let's take this and go towards just one station and then we'll go towards the ferry. Okay, so let's explore this now. Yes guys, so finally the metro ride is done. It was just like one stop. It costed me around 10 rupees, so that's a very nice thing. And the outline of the Kerala metro, it's like somewhat around like Dubai Metro only, the same way. Only thing they don't use normal cards like that. Okay? They use like tickets, so I'm not very sure if there are any other passes and all, but maybe like that only. So right now I have come to this ferry terminal. Okay, so this is the ferry terminal. I'll just show it to you from here. So it's around like 15 minutes walk from there, from the metro, or else you can come via some rickshaw and all. So that also is very nice. So let's go and explore this ferry terminal. So let's see where it can take us. I guess there is some other island also which we can go. So let's see the price and all. I will tell you, and let's enjoy the ferry ride as well.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Yes guys, so the boat ride also is done, the ferry ride is done. It was really amazing, quite good. Okay, I really liked it, and that too for only INR 6 rupees. Okay, so for 6 rupees you are going to get 2 stations. Okay, you can get down one more station also, or else you can come over here. 6 rupees, I guess till date I have never traveled so cheap. Okay, this is the best. Okay, you should definitely try it. I had just come to this area known as uh, ferry something, King's Palace or something over here, but you know, these are all old architecture, like old buildings. It will remind you some way of, you know, the Goan Fontaines. Like last time I had shown you all Goan Fontaines side, no? So if at all you all had not checked, go and check it out. Okay, it's in 2024 videos. Okay, so somewhere in June, July I had come no, like May, June, July. So go and check it on that vlog. Okay, it's something like that only, because these areas were ruled by the Portuguese, Dutch and the French. So you can see the impact over here also. So it looks actually quite nice and beautiful. Right now I guess I'll be turning back, okay, heading back towards the other side, okay, and Ernakulam only, because there is nothing much to see, but we'll just see over here if I can fly the drone also, but nothing much to be seen over here. So we'll just head towards the ferry. Okay, so let's get back to that. For some refreshment, guys, I'm just come over here and my boy is making some lemon soda for me. Okay, I'm a little bit drowsy now. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah.
20 rupees.
Huh. No, I'm unable to understand Malayalam. But let's see what he does. Nothing much to do now. Okay, it's already getting dark. Already 5:30 now. By 6 it will be dark over here. And this is the beautiful Kochi, Kerala. Okay, our 6 hours halt not come to an end. There is a lot of time, but still, okay, I walked a lot today. Now let's go back towards Ernakulam. Okay, let's explore that area now. I'll be taking the ferry once again from here. So again I'll be telling you the price and all. If it's different, if it's the same, then I don't have to, most probably. But let's take the ferry and let's get back home. Okay, to Ernakulam. Yes guys, so the night has already fallen. Okay, so we don't have any much things to do now. It's already 7 o'clock now. I just come to this park over here to roam around, just to sit on the creek side, okay, just to enjoy the backwaters of Kerala. So today's day was also quite nice and good, but yes, it was a little bit tiring of train journey and all. Right now I can't show you any more places because it's already dark. Okay, but food is still remaining, so let's go and have some authentic Malbari cuisine today. Okay, authentic Kerala food. I specifically want to try the fried beef and the parota, which I usually have it in Dubai. So let's see if we get the same taste or much better taste here in Kochi, Kerala. Okay, and then let's proceed towards the train station. Okay, let's proceed now.
From the moment of my open eye, been looking for a guided light to lead me on my way. Yeah, lost, struggling to make the top. A slipping grip can't hold me up. It's the game of life we play. When everything
Yes guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I have just changed because I was drenched in sweat. Okay, it was very difficult for me to survive in those clothes because from yesterday I was wearing it, and luckily I had bought some extra clothes with me, so at least I changed those clothes. I just changed it in some restaurant over here, didn't go in some, you know, washroom and all over here. They're very dirty. You know, these are all railway platforms, so not really good. Okay, so right now I'm ending this vlog over here. I won't be continuing. This is the end of today's Kerala vlog. Okay, so tomorrow again we'll be coming to Kerala, but it will be in Thrissur, not to Ernakulam. Okay, but it's just a 3 hours halt, and around like 4 o'clock in the morning I'll be reaching over here. So that's the reason I won't be vlogging and all. I'll be ending this vlog over here for Kerala. Okay, so Kerala was really nice. Okay, we got little bit less time, and these days it's the winter, so it gets dark also very quickly. Okay, so this was it. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the vlog, and I ate some really nice Kerala beef and parota. Okay, that is the main thing. Whenever you come to Kerala, please make sure that you eat Kerala parota and beef. In Dubai I eat the same one. Okay, but here no, they add a lot of like the natural coconut oil over here, which they directly make it and then they serve it to you. So that was actually quite nice. And make sure that you buy some banana chips. Okay, so Kerala banana chips are the best over here. Okay, without banana chips you can't really continue your journey. But anyways, okay, whatever I had to do I did. Ending the vlog over here. Thank you so much. Okay, I hope you all have watched the previous vlog also. If not, the vlog is in the description down below. I will see you directly in Goa now. Signing off. Goodbye, thank you, and love you.